Hey guys, so today I want to share with you something else that I got from Facebook Marketplace. So if you watched one of my previous videos, I got like 2 ginormous bags of canna tubers from Facebook Marketplace free. But what I also got when I picked those up were 2 banana trees. They were bananas that this person had overwintered and had way too many and was getting rid of those as well. So let me show you what those look like right now. So we're heading into our brown room, is what we call it. Look at these babies. They're finally resting after tormenting me all morning with the zoomies. Anyways, so here's a space where I'm keeping some of the potted things, but behind this, here are the banana trees. They are humongous. They are taller than me. There's the second one. I've never had bananas this big, so I'm kind of like, where do I put them? How do I get them started? So they're in plastic garbage bags down there. I have 2 giant pots in the garage that I'm gonna pull out, and hopefully they will be big enough for the root balls of these. And then I have to figure out where to like put them, because they're gonna need to be in the house, obviously, because it's still getting too cold at night. I don't know the variety of these bananas. I reached out to the guy to see, you know, if he could tell me what they were. He hasn't responded. That was back in March. So I'm just gonna treat them as if they are not the hardy variety. The Musa bananas are a hardier banana. I don't know a ton about other banana varieties, but yeah. So let me go ahead and pull out the pots before I pull these guys out the bag. All right, so I need to get some boots on. Here are my boots. Alrighty. Let's head out and find these pots. All right, so we're in the garage. I know that there's one here. This one actually has soil in it, and I'm gonna look at the soil and see kind of what condition it's in. I might just need to refresh it with some compost, or I might just need to toss it all and start over. So yeah, let me pull this out. All right, so now let's go look for the other one. I think it's upstairs here. It might be empty. I can't remember the last time I checked it. Probably when I took the greenhouse out, I took a look at it, but let me show you what this space looks like. So here's the pile that I need to dig through, and you know, I wonder if this is actually downstairs. I think it actually might be downstairs. Let's head down. Let's head down. Where are you? There it is. See, I thought it was probably empty. So here's the dilemma. These pots are huge. Having them in the house would be very inconvenient because of their size. I don't know if I have enough soil to fill, potting soil to fill this. And then like I could cover up these holes, but like it's just gonna be, it'll probably be pretty messy keeping this in the house. And I can keep it in that brown room, but yeah, we'll see. What I might do is go ahead and pot them up out here and then put them in like a trash bag up to here just to keep the soil in, and then it'll help, you know, potentially keeping in moisture. So we'll see. I do have a bag of compost at the top of the garage that I could just use for this, and then for this one here I could just top it off and mix in some compost. I think these are big enough, hopefully. We'll see. So I've got my 2 pots in the Gorilla Cart, and then I've got my soil right here, or compost. So I'm gonna put the compost in this. I'm gonna rejuvenate this, but first, you know, I need to see what the root ball size is, because I might need to take some of this soil out of here. So it's starting to rain out here, but the bananas are planted. I'm gonna put them in the plastic bags and then bring them into the brown room, and then I'll show you where I put them in there. But yeah, it's starting to rain, so I gotta get inside. So the bananas are in. I am super out of breath, but these pots work perfectly. I can't even talk. The pots work perfectly. The compost and using the old soil mixed with the compost work perfectly. Hopefully they will wake up here in a couple weeks. It's April, so they have time. Whew, I am out of breath. My goodness, they were heavy. And I'm the only one home, so I don't have anybody to help me, but look at them. They're gonna look so good this year. I cannot wait. Whew. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.